Your dream international job awaits. Make it happen! Hey everyone, Sudip here. We've all daydreamed about ditching the 9 to 5 and living that sweet, sweet international life, right? But landing your dream job abroad can feel about as easy as winning the lottery. The good news, it doesn't have to be a pipe dream. With the right strategies, you can land your dream job abroad. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and I'm here to spill the tea on how to make it happen for you. Get ready to unlock a world of opportunities and make that dream a reality. Let's get started. Know your battlefield researching the international job market. You wouldn't jump into a battle without knowing the terrain, right? Same goes for finding a job abroad. Become an expert on your target country's job market, pinpoint booming industries. Think tech in Berlin, finance in Singapore, or fashion in Milan. Knowing where the jobs are is key. Crafting your weapon, tailoring your resume and cover letter. All right, time to polish your secret weapon, your resume and cover letter. Remember, what works in one country might not fly in another. Resume formats, what employers look for, it all varies. Before you even think about hitting that apply button, tailor your resume to match the specific job description and the local standards of your target country. I'm talking laser focus here, people. Highlight those skills and experiences that scream, I'm the perfect fit. Did you manage a team across different time zones, speak multiple languages, volunteer for an international organization? Now's the time to brag a little. And remember, each application deserves a personalized cover letter. Don't even think about using a generic template. Take the time to connect the dots between your skills and the company's needs. Show them you're not just looking for any job, you're looking for job. Casting your netwide, leveraging online job platforms. You've done your research, your resume is ready, now cast your net wide. Start with country-specific job boards. These are fast tracks to companies hiring international talent. Use LinkedIn to connect with recruiters and join industry groups. Let the world know you're open to opportunities abroad. Maximize your chances of landing that dream job. Chapter 4. Networking your way to success. Building connections abroad. All right, let's talk networking, because in the international job market, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Think of networking as building your own personal referral system. Attend local job fairs, industry conferences, even those awkward online networking events. The more people you connect with, the more eyes and ears you have on the ground. And don't be afraid to reach out to expat communities and online forums. These folks have already walked the walk and can offer invaluable advice, support, and maybe even a lead or two. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be genuine, offer your own insights, and build relationships. You never know where a simple conversation might lead you. Chapter 5. Unlocking hidden opportunities, recruitment agencies. Okay, let's be real. Navigating the international job market can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. Sometimes you need a guide, someone who knows the shortcuts and can help you skip the line. That's where recruitment agencies come in. Think of them as your personal job hunting Sherpas. They have direct connections with companies, know exactly what employers are looking for, and can often get your foot in the door faster than going it alone. Look for agencies that specialize in your field or industry. Big names like Robert Half, Manpower and Hayes operate globally and have a vast network. They can connect you with opportunities you might never find on your own. Remember, using a recruitment agency is like having a secret weapon in your job hunting arsenal. They can give you that extra edge in a competitive market. Chapter 6. Harnessing the power of social media. Listen, in today's digital age, if you're not using social media to your advantage, you're missing out on a goldmine of opportunities. First and foremost, your LinkedIn profile needs to be a shining beacon of your professional awesomeness. Think of it as your online resume on steroids. Use relevant keywords, a professional headshot, and a detailed summary that screams, "Hire me." But don't stop there. Follow companies and industry leaders on Twitter and Facebook. Engage with their content, share your thoughts, and become a familiar face. You never know who's watching. Remember, social media is all about building relationships and showcasing your expertise. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at the doors it can open. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room visas. Before you book that one-way ticket, you need to understand the visa regulations and requirements for working in your target country. Each country has its own set of rules, and trust me, you don't want to be caught on the wrong side of immigration. Research visa types, eligibility criteria, and processing times. Find out if employers are open to sponsoring foreign employees for work visas. This is crucial as it can significantly impact your job search. Some companies are more willing to sponsor than others. Remember, the visa process can be lengthy and complex, so start early and be prepared. Don't let a little paperwork stand between you and your dream job abroad. Congratulations, you've landed an interview. Now it's time to knock their socks off and seal the deal. But remember, interview styles can vary greatly from country to country. Do your homework. Research the typical interview process in your target country. Are they all about formal questions or a more relaxed approach? Do they value directness or subtlety? Knowing the cultural nuances can make or break your chances. If the primary language of the country is different from yours, brush up on your language skills. Even a few basic phrases can go a long way in showing your commitment. Practice your answers to common interview questions, tailor them to the specific role, and be prepared to discuss your international experience and why you're the perfect candidate for the job. All right, you've aced the interview, you're feeling good, but the work's not over yet. The follow-up is just as crucial as the interview itself. Keep a detailed record of every job you apply for, the date you applied, and any communication you've had with the company. This will help you stay organized and track your progress. After a week or two, don't be afraid to send a polite follow-up email, reiterate your interest in the position, highlight your qualifications, and thank them again for their time. It shows you're genuinely interested and keeps you top of mind. Remember, the squeaky wheel gets the grease. Staying persistent and showing your enthusiasm can make all the difference. Listen, sometimes the path to your dream job abroad isn't a straight line. It might involve a few detours or unexpected turns. Be open to exploring different avenues to gain experience and get your foot in the door. Consider internships, volunteer positions, or even contract roles. These can provide valuable experience, help you build your network, and demonstrate your commitment to working in that country. Don't rule out remote job options. Working for an international company remotely while residing in your target country can be a great way to gain experience and potentially transition to a full-time, on-site position down the line. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are key when it comes to navigating the international job market. Let's face it, knowing the local language can be a game changer when it comes to landing a job abroad. It shows your commitment to integrating into the culture, opens up more job opportunities, and makes everyday life a whole lot easier. If the primary language of the country is different from yours, make an effort to learn it. Take language classes, use language learning apps, immerse yourself in the language through movies and music. Consider obtaining language proficiency certifications. This can be a valuable addition to your resume and demonstrate your language skills to potential employers. Remember, even basic conversational skills can go a long way in impressing potential employers and making you a more competitive candidate. And finally, the most important piece of advice I can give you: be patient. Finding a job abroad, especially your dream job, takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't land your dream job overnight. Remember, you're essentially competing with a global pool of candidates. Rejection is part of the process. Don't let it derail you. Learn from each experience, refine your approach, and keep moving forward. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Each interview, each networking connection, each application you submit is a step closer to your goal. Stay positive, stay focused, and never give up on your dream. So there you have it, your roadmap to conquering the international job market. Remember, this is your journey, your adventure. It's going to be challenging, it's going to be exciting, and it's going to be so worth it. Remember, the journey to securing an international job is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated, keep refining your approach, and your efforts will pay off. The world is waiting for you. Go out there and make it happen.